Before there was form, there was vibration. Before there was time, there was the mother. You are listening to the Bhairavi Shatakam, a 1200-year-old technical manual of the soul written by the sage Adi Shankara. It is a praise of 100 names, but it is really a description of the 100 ways the universe breathes.
भैरवि शाम्भवि चन्द्रमौळिरभला अपर्णा उमा पार्वती काली हैमवती शिवा त्रिनयनी कात्यायनी भैरवी सावित्री नवयौवना शुभकरी साम्राज्यलक्ष्मी प्रदा चिद्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्रीलिंग भैरवी.
Listen to the name Chandramouli. The moon represents the human mind, ever changing, waxing and waning. By wearing the moon on her crown, the Devi shows us her mastery over the mind. She is Parvati, the daughter of the mountains, representing the unshakable stability we all seek within.
भैरवि मोहिनी देवता त्रिभुवनि आनन्द संदायिनी वाणी पल्लव पाणि वेणु मुरली गान प्रिया लोलिनी कल्याणी उडुराज बिम्ब वदना धूम्राक्ष संहारी चिद्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्रीलिंग भैरवी.
She now shifts into Mohini, the enchantress. This is the beauty of life that pulls us toward the divine. She is Ananda Sandayini, the giver of ecstasy, not the pleasure of the senses, but the bliss of the spirit. Notice the words Venu Murali. She is the melody of the flute. She is the harmony that keeps the three worlds from falling into chaos.
भैरवि रौद्रिणि भद्रकाली भगला ज्वालामुखी वैष्णवी ब्रह्माणी त्रिपुरान्तकी सुरनुत ते दीप्यमानोज्ज्वला चामुण्डा श्रितरक्षपोष जननी दाक्षायणी वल्लभी चिद्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्रीलिंग भैरवी.
Now the energy explodes. She becomes Raudrini, the fierce, Bhadrakali, the one who consumes time. Why is she fierce? Because she is the protector. She is Tripurantaki, the slayer of the three cities of the human ego: pride, anger, and ignorance. She carries the Shula, trident, to pierce your limitations. She is not fighting an enemy out there. She is fighting the darkness inside of you.
भैरवि सृष्ट विनाश पालन करि आर्या विसंशोभिता गायत्री प्रणवाक्षरामृतरस पूर्णानुसन्धिकृता ओंकारी विनता सुतार्चित पद उत्कण्ठ दैत्यापः चिद्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्रीलिंग भैरवी. चिद्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्रीलिंग भैरवी. चिद्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्रीलिंग भैरवी.
Finally, we reach the ultimate truth. She is Pipilikanta Janani. Pipilika is the tiny ant. Brahma is the creator. From the smallest insect to the largest star, she is the mother of them all. She is Aumkari, the very sound of the universe. She is Chidrupi, pure consciousness. She is not just a form in a temple. She is the awareness behind your own eyes. To chant these names is to invite that intensity and grace into your life. Whether you need the strength of the warrior or the peace of the mother, she is but a breath away. Jai Bhairavi Devi.